Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a collage on Instagram post. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Make sure you are on the post section. Now select the picture that you want to keep the background as, then tap on next. Now tap on the image icon at the top. Then select the pictures that you want to add in the collage. You can resize the picture with the help of your fingers. Tap on the picture to get more shapes. Repeat the process till you're satisfied. Tap on next after you're done. Now add captions if you want to or tag people. Then post it. You can add captions or tag people if you want to, then tap on share to post it. And that is how to make a collage on Instagram post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.